Hello. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Terraza de Lorenzo sa Puting Lupa, Calamba City. Sa Laguna po iyan. Ito po ang model house na to ay si Amara Townhouse. Amara Townhouse has 48 lot area, inner unit, and has 52 floor area. Amara Townhouse is also available in Pag-ibig financing. Total price niya 2,759,000. Usually 10% is 250,000. Reservation of 20,000. Remaining balance payable in 12 months. So it was 19,166. 18 months payable for a total of 12,777. Loanable amount 2,250,000. Pwede niya po itong bayaran through Pag-ibig. So ang total contract price niya, ang total amortization niya is 17,478. This Amara is a semi-complete turnover. They have tiles, they have bedroom partitions, and then provision for carport. Yan po yung entrance niya. Yan po yung makikita niyo sa loob pag pumasok kayo. Ito naman po yung malapit sa kitchen, going to the dirty kitchen. Ito naman yung dirty kitchen. Toilet and bath po niya. And ito naman po yung going up sa second floor. Ito yung first bedroom. And then yung second bedroom.